Good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex Hybrid Academy Private Limited. So today on the weekly market analysis on dollar yen, we can see that it has a very strong bearish movement, and that is contributed by this US non-farm payroll, at least this candle over here. Alright, so to the 4-hour chart, bearish again. So very bearish movement, very strong bearish movement. Alright, to the 1-hour chart, this is what I have. Alright, although there is a drop in volatility, just note that it is the close of the market. Alright, so don't hurry up to go in to do a counter trend, because unless you're scalping, I'm not seeing that possibility. Alright, so let me share with you my analysis. On the daily chart at 105.59, looking for a buying opportunity of this bullish bad pattern. It is still valid. If you look at this ABCD movement, it is also a flag pattern as well. Alright, so for breakout traders, yes, it has break below and close below low price. If you want to chase this, it's fine. Stop loss have to be above 10934 because there's no other structure before that. Reward is the risk is not very good, so do consider it still if you still want to enter. For more conservative trader, you can wait for a retracement to a level that you're comfortable, but of course not higher than this price. You can hit in for a short. To the 4-hour chart, this is what I have on 4-hour chart. Very bearish movement. Very conservative trader, you can even wait for a harmonic pattern to form up and enter at a later price. Structure trader, support resistant trader, can wait for 10853. I know it's quite 100 over pips, but that's the nearest, or rather the most comfortable level I'm looking at. Alright, so of course there are other levels over here. I am mainly looking at this. To the 1-hour chart, I believe there's nothing much. Just double check. On the 1-hour chart, this is what we have. Yes, indeed, nothing much, not very big difference. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. If you love to see the development of this trade, join us Facebook Live at www.facebook.com/forexhybrid.org this Wednesday, Singapore time, 6:08 p.m. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I'll see you soon.